Who wants some banana oatmeal cookie, guys? Let me know in the comments below. What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Check this video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I do my banana oatmeal cookie. Let me know in the comments below if you ever done banana oatmeal cookie. Okay, so I am doing my proper hygiene, which is wash my hand, and then I'm gonna just dive right into it.
It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
So let's dive right into it. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use, which is some raisin, oatmeal, baking powder, cinnamon powder, vanilla, almond essence, margarine or butter, eggs. So first I'm going to put the oatmeal, which is 4 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of raisin, and 2 cups of cow's milk. And I leave that to soak for about 20 minutes. So I mixed that up and I left it to soak for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to peel the bananas and then I'm going to mash them, which is 6 well-ripe bananas. Let's mush these bananas. So mash them, and then I'm just gonna add the rest of the ingredients in here. Okay, so that's the margarine, which is a stick of margarine I use, and I mush that up. 1 teaspoon of almond essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of honey, 2 eggs, there you go, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm going to mix these ingredients up. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, now I'm going to add the oatmeal. It's already soaked. Add it small portion at a time and mix it in. Yep. Get that cookie ready to put in the oven. Guys, this is delicious. It's good for your kids. Breakfast in the morning. Adult. Healthy. So now I'm going to mix it in for a few minutes to make sure everything blend in. You're gonna love this cookie if you try it. It's so good. Some good food. Up next, what I'm going to do is get my baking tray, and I'm going to spray the can with some spam that it doesn't stick when it's baked. And I'm just going to use the spoon and put them in small portion and just kind of make them into a little cookie. So that's how I'm doing that. Then I'm going to just use the spoon and kind of set them a little bit in cookie, make them look like cookie. I think I'm going to do it a little more professional next time. One thing I know for sure, you will enjoy this. If you like oatmeal and you like banana, you would definitely like this cookie. It's like I have no control when I'm eating it. I'll eat up to 5, 6 before I stop. It's so good. Have it with a cup of tea, whichever way you like. It's very good. Having it with my tea sometimes for dessert at night. I had it with tea. It's delicious, really good. It's really good. But let me know if you try this cookie, any at all. Let me know, and let me know what are your ingredients you use in this cookie. So now I put the oven on 350 degree. I did it in the toaster oven. Sometimes I do it in the oven, but now I'm doing it in the toaster oven. And I let it bake for an hour. 1 hour on 350 degree. And there you go. They're all done. It's delicious, guys. It is delicious. Oh my goodness. You gotta try this cookie. You really do. So good. Very nice. They're very nice. I can't stand looking at it right now. I just want to eat, but they're hot. So I'm going to let them cool. And then I'm going to dive into it with some tea. Okay, guys. So let me know. What do you think about my oatmeal cookie? And if you ever tried to make it, just leave me the comment below. So I actually make some without the raisin. I make some with chocolate, and I also make them with nuts. So it depends if you're going to make it. It depends on what you want in the cookie. You could put nuts in there, you could put chocolate, or you could put raisins. And I'm telling you, these cookies are so nice. And to me, they're healthy. I mean, I don't have to put butter in there, much butter in there either, but just to, get it soft and nice, I did had a little bit too much butter, but margarine, but you don't have to if you're making it. but it's really good, guys. So I'm showing you different from when I just started. That one is the first cookie. It didn't come out so perfectly, but by the time you keep doing it and doing it and doing it, then you start to realize how good you at it. So practice become perfect, and that's what I did. I keep practicing how to do it. No one showed me how to do it. I never watch a video. I'm just home, quarantine, and I'm just trying things. And I'm trying and trying, and I'm telling you, when I'm eating this cookie, I don't want to stop.
It's William Jones in on the beat.
Money